Hello friends, dear parents and dear students. I am Dr. Beena Johnson, developmental pediatrician and senior consultant in child guidance. Academic skills form the foundation upon which a student's performance at school is assessed. For some children, mastering the basic academic skills create inordinate difficulties. Children with learning disorders exhibit academic difficulties out of proportion to their intellectual capacity. Learning disorders become a source of significant stress for children, leading to low self-esteem, anxiety, and behavior problems. Hence, learning disorders should be identified early and early interventions should be provided. Children with learning disorders have specific and significant impairment in acquiring the scholastic skills. These impairments are not the direct result of subnormal intelligence. It is not because of visual or hearing deficits. It is not because of any physical disorders. It is not because of emotional disturbances or lack of adequate opportunities for learning these skills. The main subtypes of learning disorders are specific reading disorder, specific spelling disorder, and specific disorder of arithmetical skills. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. Specific reading disorder. The main feature of this disorder is the specific and significant impairment in the development of reading skills. Reading performance should be significantly below the level expected on the basis of age, general intelligence, and school placement. There may also be deficits in reading comprehension. Specific spelling disorder. There is specific and significant impairment in the development of spelling skills. The ability to spell orally and to write out words correctly are both affected. It may be associated with grammatical errors, punctuation errors, poor paragraph organization, and poor handwriting. Specific disorder of arithmetical skills. The child's arithmetical performance should be significantly below what is expected on the basis of age, general intelligence, and school placement. The arithmetical difficulties may include failure to understand the basic concepts of arithmetical operations, lack of understanding of mathematical terms or signs, failure to recognize numerical symbols, poor spatial organization of arithmetical calculations, difficulty in properly aligning numbers, and inability to learn mathematical tables satisfactorily. During the evaluation of learning disorders, first we have to exclude the external factors which can negatively influence learning, like family and school-related stresses. Evaluation of learning disorder requires individually administered tests of intellectual ability and scholastic skills. Diagnosis is based on the presence of a significant discrepancy between the scholastic skills and the intellectual capacity of the individual. The factors in the child which can lead to scholastic backwardness, like significant behavioral and emotional problems, have to be excluded. Early intervention is necessary in the management of children with learning disorders. Intensive, individually tailored, one-on-one remedial training is the treatment of choice for learning disorders. In children with reading disorders, the management involves intensive approach to develop phonological processing and fluent word reading, giving emphasis on comprehension. Analysis of errors and development of an individual intervention plan forms the mainstay of management for improving the mathematical and writing skills. Through early identification and early interventions, the academic skills of these children can be improved, and thus we can lead these children towards success in exams. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe this channel for future updates on best child development and parenting.